Now, the FOMC rate decision on Wednesday was as expected with a 50 basis point hike, but the forward guidance was not expected. The dot plot showed a higher path of interest rate ahead for the Federal Reserve. You can see here that the median dot plot is now expecting a 5.1% rate for 2023. The first rate cut isn't due to come until 2024, and two members actually see interest rates at 5% into 2024. Now, this time of year typically sees a so-called Santa rally, but these aggressive Fed hiking expectations means the environment is not suitable for an obvious explanation to anticipate a Santa rally because of how aggressive the Federal Reserve has been. So is this a time to look for selling stocks instead? Now, Seasonax helps you find stocks with weak phases as well as strong ones. You can see here Gilead Sciences is just breaking through that daily trend line, and you can see prices are trying to make a run lower on the aggressive Federal Reserve policy in line with broader sentiment. Now, Seasonax actually helps you search for stocks with weak phases as well as ones with strong phases. You can see here in the last 10 years, Gilead Science stock has fallen 8 times with an 80% winning trades in the last 10 years between December the 16th and December the 30th for an average return of 1.72% for sellers. So is a short for Gilead Sciences worth considering? Major trade risks. Every outlook has risk, and there's always two different viewpoints. The main risk here is that there is some positive news for Gilead Sciences, or the core US PCE print next week could print really weak and encourage investors to believe the Fed's work is done and that investors can start buying stocks again and the Federal Reserve need to change their mind. Remember, don't just trade it, but Seasonax it.